Imagine owning your own brand new house with a high-end design and great finishes throughout. Let me take you inside and show you what 28A Taranna Street has to offer. The designer kitchen has stone bench tops and quality European appliances. The home also includes 2 brand new bathrooms, being ensuite and central bathroom upstairs, along with the powder room downstairs for the guests. The outdoor patio will be perfect for you to entertain this summer. Thank you for watching today's video. For your own inspection, contact any O'Brien's team member. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you this Saturday for the scheduled open for inspection.